everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, we are going to talk about a very important topic that can completely change the way you approach work, studies, and life. Hard work versus smart work. Many people think that working harder is the key to success. Others believe that working smarter is the real secret. Today, we will explore both sides, understand the differences, learn when to apply each, and discover how combining hard work and smart work can make anyone unstoppable. Success in life is often misunderstood. Some people work tirelessly for years but still struggle to achieve their goals. Others seem to achieve more with less effort. The difference lies in understanding the concept of hard work and smart work. Both are important, but they are not. The same hard work is about putting in effort, time, and energy. Smart work is about finding the best methods, tools, and strategies to achieve the same goal with efficiency. Part 1. What is hard work? Hard work means dedication, discipline, consistency, and perseverance. It is about putting in maximum effort to achieve your goals. Hard workers do not give up easily. They are willing to spend long hours practicing, learning, and improving. For example, imagine a student preparing for exams. Hard work means sitting for hours, reading textbooks, solving questions repeatedly, and revising every day. In sports, hard work means practicing drills, running, and repeating exercises until you master them. In careers, hard work means staying late, completing every task perfectly, and taking on extra responsibilities. Hard work builds stamina, patience, and resilience. It teaches you the value of effort and persistence. Many successful people in history achieved their dreams purely through hard work, even when they didn't have modern tools or resources. Part 2. What is smart work? Smart work, on the other hand, focuses on efficiency, strategy, and results. It is about achieving more with less effort by planning, prioritizing, and using resources wisely. Smart workers focus on working smarter, not just longer. For example, a student preparing for exams can study smartly by focusing on important chapters, using mind maps, solving previous year papers, and revising effectively. In sports, smart work involves understanding tactics, analyzing opponents, and improving weak areas rather than just practicing aimlessly. In a career, smart work means using productivity tools, delegating tasks, and solving problems creatively rather than just putting in long hours. Smart work is about thinking before acting, analyzing outcomes, and optimizing effort. It is not about avoiding work. It is about working intelligently. Part 3. Differences between hard work and smart work. Let us understand the key differences between hard work and smart work. Time versus efficiency. Hard work focuses on spending more time and effort, while smart work focuses on achieving more in less time. Effort versus strategy. Hard work relies on consistent effort, while smart work relies on planning and strategy. Learning versus analyzing. Hard workers learn by doing repeatedly, while smart workers analyze and find the best ways to do things. Physical versus mental. Hard work often demands physical effort, while smart work demands mental effort and critical thinking. Results. Hard work alone may take longer to yield results, while smart work can achieve results faster if applied correctly. Part 4. Examples of hard work. History is full of examples of people who achieved greatness through sheer hard work. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, failed thousands of times. Heyo's success came from relentless hard work and persistence. Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Reliance Industries, worked tirelessly for years to build one of India's biggest companies. Serena Williams, one of the greatest tennis players, practiced for hours every day to reach the top. These examples teach us that hard work builds discipline, resilience, and determination. Without hard work, smart work alone may not be enough. Part 5. Examples of smart work. Smart work is also highly effective, especially in today's modern world. Elon Musk is known for working efficiently by focusing on problem solving and optimizing resources across multiple companies. Mark Zuckerberg achieved massive success by using smart strategies in building Facebook, analyzing trends, and scaling quickly. Students who use mind maps, flashcards, and online resources can learn faster and remember more compared to just reading textbooks endlessly. Smart work teaches efficiency, innovation, and strategic thinking. It allows you to achieve more in less time. Part 6. When to apply hard work and smart work. The truth is, both hard work and smart work are important. The key is knowing when to use each approach. Hard work is essential when you are building foundational skills. You are learning something new. Consistency and repetition are needed. You face situations that require patience and persistence. Smart work is essential when you want to optimize results. You need to save time and resources. You are solving complex problems. You have experience and knowledge to strategize. The ideal approach is combining both, working hard while thinking smart. Part 7. Benefits of hard work. Builds discipline and resilience, strengthens patience and determination, creates mastery over skills, builds credibility and trustworthiness, teaches humility and effort. Hard work lays the foundation. It ensures that you have the stamina, knowledge, and experience needed to succeed. Part 8. Benefits of smart work. Saves time and effort, improves efficiency and productivity, encourages innovation and creativity, reduces stress by finding Better methods helps achieve goals faster. Smart work ensures that your hard work is not wasted. It allows you to leverage resources and knowledge for maximum results. Part 9. Practical tips to combine hard work and smart work. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve before starting. Plan your work. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-impact tasks first. Use tools and resources, apps, templates, and shortcuts. Save time. Practice consistently. Work hard to improve your skills. Analyze and improve. Reflect on results and optimize your methods. Learn from experts. Observe how successful people balance hard and smart work. Avoid burnout. Smart work helps you avoid wasting energy on unnecessary tasks. Part 10. Stories of hard work and smart work. Let me share a story. A young man named Arjun wanted to become a software engineer. He studied for hours every day. Hard work, but still struggled with coding challenges. One day, he discovered online tutorials, coding platforms, and mentorship programs. Smart work. By combining both approaches, practicing regularly, and learning efficiently, Arjun mastered coding in less time and got a job in a top company. Another story is of a farmer, Ravi, who worked tirelessly on his land but saw poor results. After learning about modern farming techniques, irrigation systems, and crop rotation, smart work, he improved his yield significantly. This shows that hard work builds effort, and smart work ensures the effort is effective. Part 11. Common mistakes. Many people make mistakes while applying hard work or smart work. Relying only on hard work leads to exhaustion. Without optimal results. Relying only on smart work may fail if you lack foundational skills or effort. Skipping planning. Working hard without a plan wastes time. Avoiding challenges. Smart work does not mean avoiding effort. Challenges require both approaches. Understanding the balance is the key to success. Part 12. Life lessons from hard work and smart work. Success is a combination of effort and intelligence. Consistency beats short bursts of effort. Efficiency improves quality of life and work. Learning to adapt and strategize is as important as working hard. The journey matters as much as the result. Part 13. Practical exercises. Take a task you usually do slowly. Find a faster, smarter way to complete it. Make a list of your daily tasks. Mark tasks that require effort and tasks that require strategy. Track your results for a week. Analyze which approach gave better outcomes. Apply both methods in small projects. Hard work builds skills. Smart work optimizes results. Part 14. Conclusion. Hard work and smart work are both important. Hard work builds effort, skill, and discipline. Smart work builds efficiency, strategy, and results. The most successful people combine both approaches. By working hard with focus and thinking smart, you can achieve your goals faster and more effectively. Remember, effort without strategy may waste time, and strategy without effort may fail. Combining them ensures success in any area of life, studies, career, sports, or personal growth. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you understand the difference between hard work and smart work and inspires you to apply both in your life. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational and educational content. Keep learning, working, and thinking smart.